Hello, welcome to Knexed. In this episode, you'll learn everything about this sturdy table saw. It's about 90 centimeters long and 60 centimeters wide. It has a fast spinning blade to cut everything you need. It also has a rib fence to make repetitive cuts possible. The rib fence is adjustable for smaller cuts or wider cuts. The saw blade has actually two speeds. At this first speed, it looks like it's turning backwards, but that has just to do with the frame rate of the camera. From the moment I switch it to second gear, it will look like it's spinning forward as it actually is. The top part is made of one big sheet of Knex pieces. It's actually resting on these little blue spacers in order for the supports not to poke through the top sheet. I made a demo version of the gearbox that's inside the saw. In the beginning, it goes from a blue to a red gear, which effectively means a 2.4 reduction in gearing. But when it's up to speed, you push this rod to the side and it engages from a big red to a small blue gear, which makes for an effective raise in rotations by a factor 2.4. It means that overall the gear ratio goes up by almost 6, but the motor cannot handle this amount of torque, so the RPM from the motor drops by a factor of 3, just because of its limited power. These factors taken in account, the blade still doubles in rotations per minute, reaching over 300 RPM. Now it is time for the real question: will it cut something? Well, you're not gonna chop trees with it, but it does a pretty good job. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next episode of Knexed.